Every robot wears a name tag. This robot's name is Byte. When we ask for robot name, Python looks at the tag. Let's see. Yep, this robot is Byte. No detective work needed. The answer is written right on its chest. Byte wanted a fresh new look, so it changed its name tag. Goodbye, Byte. Hello, Megabyte. It's still the same robot. It just got a fancy upgrade. Much more dramatic. This robot has a secret battery room. And the door is locked. A curious programmer tries to peek inside. Sorry, access denied. The robot says, "That's private information. Even robots deserve some privacy." The battery is still private, but the robot has a charge button. Press the button. BZZZT. Battery power goes up. No one touched the battery directly. The robot handled everything safely, like a responsible little machine. We asked every robot to speak. Same command. Different results. One robot says, "Beep." The other says, "La la la." Apparently this robot thinks it's a pop star. That's polymorphism. Same request, different behavior. Welcome to the Robot Talent Show. The judge has only one command. Perform. The first robot goes. Beep beep. The singing robot starts a concert. Musical note la la la. The dancing robot loses control. Woman dancing dance. 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 The judge never changed the command. Everyone heard the same method, but every robot performed differently. That's polymorphism. Same method, different behavior. This robot has something unusual. Open the chest door. Surprise. A tiny brain robot lives inside. Okay, it's not really a robot. It's a class inside another class. Like a helper living inside the robot's house. And apparently it never pays rent. This robot comes with a built-in brain. When the robot needs a plan, it asks the brain. The brain thinks. Mission ready. The robot says, "Excellent idea." Then it gets to work. Brains and robots. A perfect team. Welcome to Robot City Academy. Today our robot graduated. It learned how to remember information. That's properties. It learned how to protect secrets. That's encapsulation. It learned how different robots can react differently. That's polymorphism. And it even learned how to keep helper classes inside. That's inner classes. Not bad for a little robot. Congratulations! You're becoming a Python class master. Now go build some awesome robots.